Hey everybody, it's that girl Jalen back with another YouTube video. So before we get into this video, I want you guys to like, share, comment, subscribe. We're on the road to 10K. So thanks everybody who's supporting me. And yeah, let's get straight into this video. So I'm going to be doing do-it-yourself face mask. And not only do I do it myself, but you guys are going to do it yourself too. So if you have these products at home, why don't you get them out? I'm gonna name the products. Why don't you just get them out and do it with me? So first thing, we have some organic raw honey. It's a great value brand. You can get it at your local grocery store. I got it at HEB because I love HEB. So yeah, you can get it at your local grocery store. Second, you're gonna need your knife. Why you need your knife is because you're gonna be cutting the aloe. Yes, I said it right. Yes, you guys, I never knew how to say. I used to pronounce it Aloe or something like you know, Aloe. That song by what Lloyd. Yeah, I used to pronounce it like that. But then you're gonna need your measuring spoons, which you will only be using the 1 teaspoon. So if you have measuring spoons, don't overdo it. Just use your measuring spoon and we'll show you how to do it. And then you will need a little brush. This is what I use for like my face mask and stuff. So you need like a little brush. It's thin on the side, you see? Click. And then you will need a bowl, of course, with a spoon. Don't mix your face mask with a metal spoon. Get like one of these. This is like rubber, and I got it from like Kroger's. So you guys can just get it from like Walmart or something, just to mix it up. And then if you guys, I just got out the shower, okay? My hair is wild. And if you guys are like me, I'm gonna be putting my hair up. And then you guys, if you guys have like a headband or whatever you guys use to hold your hair back, just use that because your girl got a lot of frizz going on and my hair don't stay on one spot. And then especially my little baby hairs, they be everywhere. So I'm gonna put this thing on around me. And then we're gonna get straight into the video. All right, so my face is out there. My forehead is big, excuse my forehead, my forehead, I guess. All right, so what I'm going to be making is aloe face mask, okay? So you guys, I did wash my hands before we got into this video. So before you guys start doing your face, messing with your face, make sure you guys wash your hands just so you don't, if you have sensitive skin like me, you don't break out. Also, about these products, I'm going to put in the screen right here what they do for your skin and how they work. So yeah, and I'm gonna make enough for me because I use this product 3 times a week and I want you guys to do it and you would definitely see a difference. Also, make sure you guys take pictures before you start with a face mask to see your process, like your progress. Like if your face is really bad and you just keep doing it, see if it works, because if it don't work, maybe you need to change a little stuff up, okay? So first thing, I'm going to be taking my knife and I'm going to just cut straight down the middle with this knife, and we're just going to get the gel stuff out of the, look how sticky. It's really sticky. All right, so I'm going to be taking about a teaspoon and just getting all this stuff out. I just don't like this texture, y'all. It's like so, look at that. Okay, it's like egg white. Next, I'm gonna put this over to the side so you guys, so when you're ready. But you want to take your organic honey and you want to take your teaspoon and you want to just fill it up. Actually, I put more than 1 teaspoon in here, so I'm gonna put about, let's see, tablespoon, sorry. I'm gonna put about 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon, and you just wanna drizzle that around, drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. And I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I love honey, you guys. I eat honey on everything. I drink honey. Well, not drink it, but I put it in my tea. It's just so good. And then this is what it looks like. Make sure it doesn't fall. If you guys can see that, look at that. It's like really sticky, and it's like, oh my god. So back to what I was saying, I'm going to take this brush and I'm just going to dip it in. This is what it looks like. It looks like this. So I'm just going to dip this brush and I'm just going to apply it to my face. It's really sticky. Guys, so I'm finished with applying the face mask to my face, and just leave it on for about 20 minutes and I will be right back. And I'm back. I want to show you guys my face, what it looks like. Ooh, what it looks like. See that? It's like really shiny and stuff. It looks really good. So I got this rag right here that I'm going to just be wiping my face off with. Like I said, make sure you guys leave the mask on for 20 minutes, sorry. And I do also want to inform you guys that this mask is not only for your face. You can use it for like your neck, your chest, your butt, anywhere you guys want to use it. But I use it for my face because I really like it. That's all I have for today. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you guys enjoyed this video. Like it, share it, comment, and that's all I have. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.